Hey cat aspirants, welcome back to another day in the countdown. Sharpen my mind with editorial page. Gotta stay informed, right? These are the new words that I came across today. After completing my corporate mazduri, I straight away set my timer and solved some previous cat questions from Quantum Cat. With monsoon rolling in, my mother surprised me with the mouth-watering pakoras and chai. Hi guys, so first of all, you are pulchritudinous. So pulchritudinous means beautiful. So you don't have to Google the definition of pulchritudinous. Today I'll be covering part about VARC because I have seen lots of comment regarding VARC, like how to approach RC passage. I have seen several comments that I'm getting 0 in mocks in particularly VARC session. So first of all, the thing is the PDF that I have provided to you over the Telegram channel. So in that PDF, try to analyze what you have done wrong. Okay, if you scroll down to the bottom, like after the 100th passage, he has that PDF provided in-depth details. For example, if a passage question 1 answer is D, so then he has provided why not A. The answer was why not B, why not C, and why D. Okay, so analyze and see. Also, second thing, I would like to say that keep aside your preconceived notions. As in, for example, अगर मैं तुम्हें कहता हूँ कि अगर वाला है बनिया होगा तो कंजूस होगा, ये एक प्रीकंसीव नोशन है, इट्स अ स्टीरियोटाइप, सो इसको साइड में रखो. ट्राई टू थिंक व्हाट द ऑथर वांट्स टू कन्वे. ऑथर के पर्सपेक्टिव से अप्रोच करो आरसी को, इट विल बी अ लॉट मोर इजियर, राइट. सेकंड थिंग, if you struggle with the verbs, adverbs, these tenses, passive, active voice, if you want to improve your grammar, then I would recommend to study from Wren and Martin. It's a great book. So I'll drop in the name of the author, as in the author name is only it's by Wren and Martin. Name of the book is also the Wren and Martin. So get it, go through it, clearing all your basics regarding English grammar. So that will help you in your VA section, right? And start using vocabulary daily in day-to-day life. जो भी तुमने आज वर्ड सीखे हैं तो उनको यूज में लाओ, रेगुलर यूज में लाओ, ऐसे ही वो तुम्हें याद होंगे. अगर याद नहीं होंगे तो you try to imbibe those newly read word into your memory, और कहीं ना कहीं वो फिर अगर पैसेज में आ जाता है in future, so it will help a lot. So next is I want to tell you about the quant section. So I've came across a great PDF. So today by evening I'll be dropping a PDF file. It includes all the notes from a brilliant student. He graduated from IIM Ahmedabad. I came across his notes, so he has given us the PDF. So I'll be dropping that PDF today, most probably by evening, in the Telegram channel that I have recently created. Regarding the Telegram channel, so I was very skeptic about if I should create a channel or not. But with your hefty messages on my Telegram, I received near about 130 messages, and I was yeah, now I have I just shelved my thought of not creating the Telegram channel. Then I have to create that. Now just suggest me whether I should link a group to that channel, so that channel can be to send some important information that can be used for that will be beneficial for every one of us. And in that group we can clear some doubts, because I won't be available for everyone throughout the day, right? So some of the doubts can be cleared by someone else, so that group can be used for general discussion. So do let me know in the comments if you want me to create a group linked to that Telegram channel that you have joined. And those who haven't joined yet, so I'll drop the link to that channel in the description. So do join it, and thank you so much for supporting me. All your lovely comments, your likes, and your your subscription, blah blah blah, helps me and keeps me motivated. So thank you so much for that, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Oh sorry. Just a reminder, as in just for your information, Saturday Sundays are very crucial for me. So I would suggest that make your Saturday Sundays the most productive days of your week. Okay, because Saturday Sunday एक ऐसा टाइम है जिसमें तुम्हारे पास टाइम ही टाइम है. कोई कुछ कहेगा भी नहीं, कोई कहे तो उसको बोलो भाई मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. और मुझे लगता है कि अगर तुम पढ़ते हुए दिखते हो ना, तो भाई मम्मी पापा भी कोई कुछ तुम्हें काम नहीं बोलेगा, ठीक है. तो मेक सैटरडे संडे मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव. और मुझे तो सैटरडे संडे पर्टिकुलरली बहुत प्रोडक्टिव बनाने पड़ते हैं, बिकॉज मेरा पूरा वीकडेज मेरे सारे जॉब में जाते हैं, राइट. बिकॉज आई एम वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल, तो मुझे ये भी देखना है, मुझे चैनल भी देखना है, और फिर मुझे अपनी पढ़ाई भी देखनी है. सो सैटरडे संडे शायद से वीडियोज ना आए, but I'll try to conclude all the things that I have done in Saturday Sunday and post a video on Monday, because I have to track my journey on my channel. So thank you again, and bye bye. See you on Monday.